Hello students, how is everyone? In my previous video we have started with chapter 2, that is addition. So what is addition? Addition is the process of adding or calculating numbers together, different numbers together. Okay, so today we are going to start with addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So let's get started now. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit number means that we have ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So whenever we have to add 4-digit number, first we have to arrange the digits of the given number in columns of thousand, hundred, tens and ones. Let us understand it in a better way with the help of an example. Now here the first number is 2313. Okay. So in the ones column, which number will come? 3. In tens column, which number will come? 1. In hundred column, it will be 3. And in thousand column, the number will be 2. And number to be added with this is 2532. So here the ones number in ones column will come as 2. In tens it will be 3. In hundred column the digit will come as 5. And in thousand column the digit will be 2. Then we will put this line and put the sign of addition, that is the plus sign. Okay. Whenever we have to start doing addition, we always do it from the right side, that is from the ones column. So never we will start from the left side, the thousand column or the hundred column. We always start from the right side, that is the ones column. So here the number digits in ones column are 3 plus 2. So how I have told you, 3 in your mind and you have to do 2 fingers up. So 3 and we will count it forward. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 1 in your mind and 3 fingers up. So count forward after 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we will write as 4. 3 plus 5. 3 in your mind and 5 fingers up. We will count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will write as 8. Then there is 2 plus 2. 2 in your mind and 2 fingers up. 3, 4. It comes to 4845. Next topic is addition using the expanded form. So for addition using an expanded form, first we have to write the given numbers in expanded form. So let's see an example. Suppose we have to add 2631 and 4253. So first we have to write it in columns under 1000, 100, tens and ones. So we will write 2631 and 4253. Then we will put the sign of plus, addition sign, and then we will add it by expanding it. Okay. First we will expand 2631. In the thousand place the digit is 2. So we will write 2000. In the hundred place the digit is 6. We will write 600. In tens place the digit is 3. For that we have to write 30. In the ones place the digit is 1. So we will write plus 1. Now next number is 4253. In thousand place the digit is 4. So we will write 4000 plus For the 100 place it is 2. So 200 plus, for the tens place it will be 50, 50, and for the ones place it will be plus 3. To the addition of ones place. So 1 plus 3. 1 in my mind and 3 fingers up. So 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Next we will do the addition of tens place. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 3 plus 5 is 8. So it will come to 80. In the 100 place it's 600 plus 200. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 and 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 800. And for 1000 place it is 2000 plus 4000. So 2 plus 4 will be 6. So 6000. Now we have to write it in standard form. So 4 will come as 4 in the ones place. For the tens place 80 is there, so we will write 8. For the 100 place it is 800. We will write only 8 for that. And for the 1000 place it will be 6. So 6884. Next topic is addition of 4 digit with regrouping. Regrouping means to carry over. So the process of changing groups of ones into tens and tens into hundreds and so on is known as regrouping. In our chapter 1 we have done that 10 ones, when there is 10 ones, so it is equal to 1 10, and when it is 10 tens it is equal to 100, and when there are 10 hundreds it is equal to 1000. Okay, now keeping this concept in our mind, we will try to solve it with one example. It says add 5453 and 1249. So first we will put it in column under 1000, 100, tens and ones. 5453, and the next number is 1249. Then we will put the sign of addition and then we will start adding. First we will add the digit in the ones place. So the number is 3 plus 9. So 3 in my mind and 9 fingers up. We will count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12 becomes 2 digit number. So 2 is in one place and 1 is in tens place. So we will put 1 as carry and 2 we will write under 1. Now in the tens place we will add 5 plus 4 and the 1. So 5 in my mind and 4 fingers up. We will count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 plus 1, which is the carry 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Now we will put the number 0 under 10 and 1 we will put as carry over 100. Okay, so now the digit is in the 100 place 4 plus 2 and the 1 which is carried over. So 4 in my mind and 2 fingers up. We'll count after 4, 5, 6, and we have to add the 1 also. So that becomes 7. Now we will count the digit in the 1000 place, which is 5 plus 1. So 5 in my mind and 1 finger up, 6. So it becomes 6702. This is how we will do the carryover sum. Okay. Next topic we are going to cover is addition of 3 4-digit numbers. Okay, so for that we have to put the numbers in columns correctly. Okay, now let us take one example. Example says add 1326, 2450 and 3239. So first we will put it in columns. 1326, then we will put 2450 and the last number is 3239. We will put the sign of addition and we will start adding from the one side. So one side, on the one side, right side, the digits are 6 plus 0 plus 9. So what we will do, put 6 in my mind and do our 9 fingers up. So we will count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now in the ones place the digit is 5. In the tens place digit is 1. So 1 we will do carry and 5 we will write under ones. And then we will count in the tens place. The tens place the digits are 2 plus 5 plus 3 and the 1 which is carried. So we will add 2 in my mind and 5 fingers up we will count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that 7 in my mind and 3 fingers up. So we will add 8, 9, 10 and 1 which is carried. So we will have to add that also. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Now 1 we will put under tens column and 1 in the 100 column we will carry over. Okay. So now we have to add 3 plus 4 plus 2 in the 100 column. So and the 1 which is carried over. So 3 in my mind and 4 fingers up. We will count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in my mind and 2 fingers up. 8, 9 and 1 which is carried over. So it becomes 10. So we will put 0 under 100 column and 1 we will do carry on the 1000 column. Now we have to add in 1000 column 1, 2 and 3 and the 1 which is carried over. So let's start counting. We will put 1 in our mind and 2 fingers up. We will count after 1, 2, 3. Then 3 in my mind and 3 fingers up. We will count after 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 1 which is carried over. 6 plus 1 is 7. So it becomes 7015. Students, now I believe the different concept of adding 4-digit numbers must be clear to all of you. So try to complete this exercise 2.1 question number 1, 3 and 5 on page number 32 and 33 in book itself. We will do further in our next video. So bye bye and take care.